Hi, Vadim here. In this quick and practical tutorial, you'll learn how to solve this common everyday problem step by step. Very often, you'll find yourself needing to convert photos to JPEG format, whether you're processing photos from the trip, preparing a report, uploading it to the website, or simply trying to ensure compatibility across the devices. Let me share with you the easiest method to do it in Windows, and you will not need any extra software. I have multiple pictures on the desktop. They all are in a different format. We can open File Explorer in Windows to view picture details. All you need to do is click on the icon of File Explorer and then navigate to the desktop folder. Here you can see pictures in BMP, TIFF, GIF, PNG, and HEIC format. All of these formats are widely used and can be opened in the Paint application in Windows. To do it, let's go back to the desktop and open Paint app. What you can do now, you can drag the picture and drop it into Paint app. Here it doesn't fit on the screen, but you can change the zooming so you can see the entire picture. All of these formats can be opened in Paint. Paint Editor allows you for basic editing of the pictures, but you can also save them as in a different format. Here are the formats supported in Paint. You can click File, Save As, and you see that it could be saved as PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF, and other formats. Let's quickly save this picture as JPEG. You need to click File, Save As, and then JPEG Picture. Here you need to select the extension JPEG and click Save. What's interesting is that different formats are good for different purposes. For example, JPEG is great for web and compression. PNG format is lossless and supports transparency. BMP format is uncompressed but high quality. And HEIC format is native for iPhones but less compatible. Couple other tips. When saving, make sure to give the picture new name so you're not overwriting the original. If you have many pictures, you can repeat this process for each image individually. But for many files, you can also consider using a bulk image converter tool or automate using PowerShell. You can also confirm the file conversion in File Explorer. Once your image is saved, make sure to check the destination folder. Right-click on the converted file, go to Properties, and confirm that your file type is JPEG. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to online training for everyone. Have a great day.